TraderInsight.com. I'm Julie Mans for Monday, April 30th. What happened in our room today and what are we looking at for tomorrow as extra opportunities? We call them extra innings. So today we had a great day in the trading room. We had one stock that was on our main core plan. That was KNX. So you can see this was a short and you can see it gap up first thing in the morning. There was a nice pivot play later in the afternoon, but all in all, nothing developed out of night. But then we also weren't triggered in. On our stocks to watch portion, which is a more discretionary portion of this core trading plan, we had 3 stocks. EAT Brinker was a long for today at 44.87, and the target, or the 50% rather, was here at 45.17. It made that trip and then went back down, and that's where we get out at break even. So the nice thing to note here is, while it was a break even trade, it was easy enough for us to get in and out and miss this downtrend. Next as a long, we had STZ, Constellation Brands. This had a entry at 234.48. It made that shortly after the open. Traveled higher, easily hit its target up at 235.17 and actually went higher than that before pulling back. And finally, we had TPR, and that did exactly as expected. It was a short, it hit our entry price, went 50%, went on down to our target, and went a little bit further, so there's possible extension. There was also early in the trading session opportunity to get in at the pivot line. So I hope you all caught some of that today. If you are one of our elite traders, you are getting these plans every night before the next morning. Now I'm going to share with you some trading ideas for tomorrow based on some trades today that are set up or poised to go either further tomorrow or did not trigger today. On screen is KNX. You might have noticed earlier when I said it didn't trigger, it didn't trigger. So we're looking tomorrow for this again as a short. This is the daily chart here, and you can see it is still poised to head lower and back. End of last year, it did have some trades that were in this lower portion of its range, so we'll be looking for that. I also have another short idea in KEYS, Keysight Technologies. This one was on our XRV program today. It's a special setup that we trade that has some great results, and we'd be happy to tell you about that. But it had a nice day, and I might see if we can't squeeze a little bit more out of that for tomorrow's trading. And I have a third idea that's actually along in SBRA. This was also on our XRV plan today, and it started to go, didn't quite make it, pulled back, and I'll look to see if tomorrow it doesn't have the gas to move higher. I will be posting these on our Facebook and Twitter feeds at Trader Insights, so give that a look up, follow us, and you won't miss out on trade ideas. Hope you have a great trading day tomorrow.